Hey everybody, how's it going? This is ARRMA and this is time for a really quick tip. God, this one might be under 3 minutes. Let's see if I can do this. Alright, so let's say that you're like me and you have a lot of motors and a lot of cars and you swap things around a lot, okay? How do you keep all that stuff straight? Well, man, especially if you're changing motor leads, you're changing your ESC stuff, and you have sensor motors and you have a third wire and all the other good stuff that the Castle ESCs have. Well, if you have a Target nearby, you can get a label maker just like one of these guys for about $18–20. These things are a lifesaver. So if you are like me and you're swapping things around a lot, you can just sit with your label maker, just make some little labels and put them around your motor leads. So when you connect your ESC into your chassis, like this right here in my ARRMA Typhon, which I'm setting up, you set that thing up, you get this thing up here, you have everything plugged in. Okay, which motor lead goes to which? Oh, A, B, C. A, B, C. Really easy. Oh, which one goes to my third channel? Let me see. Okay, here's the white wire. Okay, third channel. Which one? I have a motor extension, I have servo extenders coming out of here. I know that this one is number 2. This is number 3. Channel 2, channel 3. Bing, bam, boom. Life simplified. Alright guys, I actually can make a quick video. Who knew? Well, I'm finally getting my ARRMA up and running. And I took apart the center diff because it needed it. Because the center diff basically wasn't working. So I opened this thing up and I see this mess. I don't even know what this is. It doesn't even look like it's lubricant. I mean, there was no resistance in this center diff, and it was turning like there was nothing in here, and the stuff that's in here is just like dirty snot. It doesn't even have like any kind of gear resistance to it in it. It's not grease. I don't know what this is. So I don't know who put this in here or what they were thinking, but this was not functioning like a center diff. This was functioning like trash. Alright, so time to take this all apart, clean it all out, and put some good stuff in here. Well, that's as soon as I look up online and see what the proper weight of diff fluid is supposed to go in here. Good thing I have a bunch of diff fluid on hand so I can figure it out. Alright guys, man, this is sad. I feel bad for this car. Alright guys, ARRMA signing out. Remember the mantra, fly, fix, fly, break it, fix it, and do it all over again. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and all the other good stuff. And stay tuned here. You're going to see the inaugural runs of my new to me Typhon or Typhon. I don't know how to pronounce that. Somebody please tell me, how do you pronounce this? Okay, it's spelled like Typhon, but everybody says Typhon. Help a brother out. All right, anyway, you're going to see another inaugural run of this guy with this Castle 1515 2200 kV motor. I also have a 1512 1850 kV motor that's going to be going in here too. So I'm going to see what the differences are, and you know, because I honestly think that 1512 is a really underrated motor. I think it can do a lot of really good stuff for the right people. And I don't really think you really need this motor right here, but I'm going to try them both out, see how they do. Alright guys, ARRMA signing out. Remember the mantra, fly, fix, fly, break it, fix it, and do it all over again. Peace.